guys, this is Lei. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful side table. If you are interested, please keep watching. Let's get started. For this project, I used the stackable 3-tier planter from Dollar Tree. I spray painted 2 of them into gold color and 2 of them in black color. As you can see from the video, I just stacked them one on top of each other to build up the base of the table. To glue them together, I used E6000 and hot glue gun. For the top piece, you want to make sure the inside is also spray painted in gold color. Then I added some decoration stones from Dollar Tree to give the base extra weight. I also added some LED candles into the top piece to give more features. The next step is to put a glass top on top of the base. Please make sure the glass top is secured. I also added some golden adhesive strips and golden half boards to give the base a little bit more details. Now let's check out the final product. This table is very beautiful to me, isn't it? It is also functional, practical, and easy to make. If you are new to my channel and also like my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It will help a lot to grow my channel. This is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.